I love a timber floor. One just like this in a house like this is such a perfect fit. But there are some phenomenal timber tiles that can give you this perfect timber look in your home. So many people say, why would you choose tiles? Well, the first reason is durability. So when you have your girlfriends around, there's no need for heels off. They're unbelievably pet friendly. You don't ever have to worry about your pet's claws scratching up your timber tiles. Serviceability is my next reason. That's right. Timberlook tiles are so low maintenance. Once they're down, there's no sanding, no polishing, and no maintenance for years to come. Not only that, from a mum's perspective, cleanup is a breeze. All spills, all drops and mishaps are easily cleaned up with your Timberlook tiles. And lastly, hygiene. That's right, for those allergy sufferers among us, Timberlook tiles, in fact, all tiles are the answer. They're amazingly simple to clean, keeping all the dust and allergens to a minimum.